friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Moving on to our final discussion, building the website using WordPress. Today we will discuss how to create button in your post. If you want to create a button and link it to the URL, you would want to use the button block. The button block is in the layout element section. Once you add it, you will need to enter the display text and the URL to which you wish to link to. There are a couple of styles you can choose from: fill and outline. You can choose colors for the background and text from the color settings section of the settings panel. You can vary the border radius, making the button either rectangular or rounded. You can have the link open in a new tab as well. And if you want to add rel attributes to the link, like if you want to make the link no follow, then you can enter the attributes value here. Let's look at the toolbar options for the button. There are no transform options. You can only add a button to a group. There are alignment options. You can align the button to the left, center, or right, and you can add the inline image. Say if you want to add an icon or custom graphics next to the button, you can add that. Here you have a different option for bold, italicize, and here you can add the inline image if you want to. You can choose from media library or from your computer file. Here we have selected the image and uploaded it. We can now adjust the size of the image we wish to and apply different options. You can do that, and you have options for bold, italics, or strike through, and so on. Moving on to our next topic, which is how to use code block in your posts or pages. If you want to display code from any computer language or script on your page or post, you would want to use the code block. The code will be displayed in a monospace font. There are no formatting options of any kind for the code. You would want to note that this block is just to display code on your page or post. It will not be executed. If you want to embed HTML or CSS or run PHP code, then you would need to use custom HTML block and not the code block. You can add custom CSS classes to code block. You can transform the code block into a pre-formatted block if you wish to. Our next topic is how to use multiple fonts in your post or pages. Changing fonts in WordPress is not exactly easy. The fonts are available to you depends on the theme you are using. If you want to change the fonts a theme uses, you will either need to modify the code or use plugin. To add several points to pages, most users will need to use plugins as modifying the code is only for seasoned programmers. One such plugin that lets you add several fonts to pages and posts is Ultra Blocks. You would want to use the free version and it should be good enough unless you are a professional web designer. So we will install the plugin and activate it. Now we will go to the setting page and select all the fonts we wish to be available for our posts or pages when we create new pages and posts. And after selecting that, we will save changes. There now we will save changes. You will now be able to use several new blocks the plugin adds to your page. There you can see that the plugin adds a couple of new sections to add block menu, ultra blocks, common and ultra blocks layout, and there are various types of options or fonts available which we can use in our new posts or pages. Thanks for watching and keep watching my channel for more informational videos.